Hi guys, Jason at Jordanbikes. Got one of my favourite bikes for you here, ZZR1400. Proper big engine, big boys bike is this. Absolutely beautiful. Fantastic deep metallic green. Just got a screen on there, nice dark screen. It's a 2009 on a 58. It's only done, are you ready for this? When it pops up, 4,414 miles. It is almost as new. I'd challenge you to come find any marks on it. It's absolutely beautiful. So the only thing it's got is a screen, lovely and standard. Proper big hyper tourer this. It's got the hugger on there, actually just spotted that. So it keeps all the crap off the back shock and everything. Just a lovely original bike. So if you're after one of these, you've always been after one, this is the one to buy. It is the later ABS model as well as this one. Even does 46 at gallon, look at that. Give it a fire up for you. Just super original, it is gorgeous. Come down and see it for yourself at Jordanbikes or give us a call.